If you work with Power BI, you know the problem. You need a custom visual, you open up source, and suddenly you have more than 1,000 options. Where do you even start? That's why we built OKVIZ Index. Start with the type of visual you need, narrow things down, and open any result. You'll find screenshots, documentation, publisher information, the latest updates, technical capabilities, certification, and warnings all in one place. You'll also see our ratings for features, design, and support. The ratings won't make the choice for you. They help you decide which visuals are worth trying, and you can keep an eye to the visuals that matter to you. Already using one? Add it to your watchlist. AppSource can update it silently, so you might never hear about new features. We'll email you when a new version comes out. You can also watch a visual you're not using yet. Maybe it's missing a feature you need. So when there is a new release, you'll know it's time to check again. The index is AI-friendly too. The catalog is available in a format that AI assistants can read directly, so they can help you find and compare visuals. And if you publish visuals, you can claim them and send us corrections, so the information stays accurate. Of course, the index doesn't replace security checks or trying a visual with your own data. It helps you get to the right options faster. So, next time you need a Power BI visual, start with OKVIZ Index. Find what you need or discover something new at okviz.com/index.